$10 for that one.
Used to be on the trademark.
RZP at the resale doing their thing, taking them pics for the what challenge is that? It's the LeBron challenge. Oh man.
He should have it. Dude, some guy out Korea posted it.
18, man. Jordan 18. A quick view of the line. You out here, baby.
And then Michael, the same thing.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. And we back at it with another one, baby. And as you can see, we got the Retro 18 things, man, in the house, man. So grateful to have them. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoyed the little window until, you know, what this release was, you know, with the camp out, what the release was kind of like today. I'm going to tell you like this, man. For those of you who thought these things were going to be just like out here, widely available, I think we all found out real quick that was definitely a dub, man. These things were stupid limited. I even tried myself. Yes, your boy Q the Flu. I tried myself to hit on the sneakers app, man, and like, you know, it's gonna be a BS release when the sneakers app glitching, kicking you out for like regular stuff like this. Did that 3 times, man. So what your boy Q the Flu did, we hopped right in the Uber, man. We went straight to RSVP Gallery Chicago, man. Shout out to your boy Don C. Shout out to RSVP Gallery. Shout out to Wicker Park, man. Your boy definitely got there. I was like 5th in line, man. Unfortunately for your boy Q the Flu, you know, there was somebody, you know, already there, man. They had one size 13, man. I think RSVP Gallery had like maybe 2 size runs, or maybe 1 size run and a bunch of loose sizes. But we know how it go with these smaller stores, man. But like, yeah, your boy had the cop. I ended up trading that 9. I copped the 9.5, and I was lucky enough to end up, you know, just trading that 9.5 for size 13. So shout out to the, you know, the homie that did that for your boy. You know, I definitely appreciate it, man. Shout out to you, man. But I'm glad to have them, man. These things are like the suede. These things are just amazing, man. And you may not see another Retro 18 for a while, man. So that's enough of me, you know, with my little quick little ramble, baby. Let's get into the review. We got the Retro 18s here, man. So the first thing you notice about this shoe is just this buttery, soft, plush red suede, man. Like, if you're looking at that, man, you know it's good suede when you can see the brush strokes, man. That thing changed colors like that. Jordan brand definitely pulled all the stops out with the the suede quality that they put up on this thing, man. We got those Jumpmans right here on the medial, on the foot, on the medial. We got those Jumpmans right here on the cover, you know, the shroud right here on the cover of the top of your foot. Definitely got those shrouds pulling that thing down. If you know anything about the 18s, you definitely got like the shroud that kind of rolls down. You got that Jordan on the inside with the magnetic kind of, you know, ties right there, like so. Going back into that, as you can see on the left hand shoe, you got that metallic kind of material in the inside of the shoe right there. That definitely isn't indecrescent. You know, it's just kind of like that little metallic thing, but you know, nothing. Right, back up. Inside of the shoe, we definitely got, you know, just suede wrapping all around the medial side. You can see there, you got the little flaps with the indecrescent kind of, you know, steez going on the inside. The indecrescent steez going on the inside of that. It's not really functional, but there are some air spaces there. I'm guessing for breathability. You got the mock plastic carbon fiber hit going around the midsole of the shoe, which I think is pretty cool, man. I mean, typically you get that like kind of, you know, that kind of like foam based kind of midsole, man. Jordan went for like the plastic, you know, put a little bit more design in that, man, which I think that's a really dope feature. You got this kind of the skinny mini, you know, clear outsole, you know, that kind of go around the shoe, you know, and that light, you know, kind of clear light blue, you know, colorway the Jordan brand been using. You know, definitely got a, you know, the lightweight, simple traction with the 18, you know, kind of right there. You know, very subtle, very small. Jumpman, red outsole. very, very simple touch, man. Lace locks, on the side of the shoe, red shoestrings. Insoles, man, like this right here, very plush, bro. Like very, very, very plush. You ain't felt that kind of cushioning in a Jordan in a long time, man. It almost feels like memory foam, as dope as that is, man. I thought that was a very good look. No insignia and no anything behind the tongue. You do have the size tag on the inside, on the inner right side of the shoe. We pull that insole out for y'all. Y'all get a better look at that. So a cool detail for the Retro 18, a lot of people don't notice and don't realize, is that the actual carbon fiber, and shout out to my man GH, man, the actual carbon fiber is actually glued on the bottom of the shoe, man, which I guess kind of stabilizes like your footbed, and allows for like a better like kind of comfort and performance on that footbed there, which I think this is a really, really dope touch, man, to just include like the carbon fiber. I don't think there's another Jordan that you'll see that kind of present right there, man. That's very interesting, and I guess these are very good for performance, man, especially as Jordan got towards the latter sides of his career. This old man Jordan right here with the Washington Wizards. You got that, that stitched in insignia in the insole. You got carbon comfort control plate, man. So they kind of tell you right there, what's happening underneath this footbed right here, man. And that is real carbon fiber, man. So definitely don't forget that, man. Take that out. Very standard, white insole, nothing right there, man. So I'm guessing this kind of replica carbon fiber like look design right here is just simply that, a design, man. You see the carbon fiber technology that's just definitely kept right there. So I think that's cool, man. Around the heel, you definitely got like this little rubber, piece, man. We gotta protect the Achilles, we gotta protect our heels, man. And Jordan made sure you got that extra support right there. You see that Jordan going around the bottom of that, man. We gotta show respect to the Elohim. Jordan everywhere, and this light little plastic carbon fiber thing going around the back of the heel plate right there, which I think is cool. Believe this shoe is inspired by, of course, later on in Jordan's career, he owned like a motorcycle team, and so you could definitely see some inspirations behind that. You look at this, a lot of people wonder what the meaning behind this, man. If I had to guess, that definitely, you can see the 1 and then the 8 going around with the mini jump man right there. But it also kind of reminds you of a racetrack, man. I'm gonna let y'all see that, also kind of reminds you like of a racetrack, man. So like, y'all let me know, YouTube, what y'all think that might just be down there, man. If I had to guess, I'm going with like a double meaning. You see the 1 and the 8 kind of going around with the jump man, but then also make it look like a racetrack. I think that's interesting though, man. This is definitely inspired by one of Jordan's, kind of luxury cars. As a lot of his shoes, you got this, you got the 14s, definitely a few of his shoes are definitely inspired by, a few of his cars, man. So this is just one of the last ones, the last shoe that he ever played in, that might have got a chance to, really tinker, they may have had a chance to really draw that inspiration from. So I think that was definitely, that's a dope look, man. I'm happy to have this shoe. Very, very, very dope shoe. Y'all let me know, man, y'all cop or not. Yeah, so closing thoughts, man. I think if you were going for these, I think the market for these things right now are about $300, $350, which for an all red Jordan, these are always gonna go, especially in those Chicago colorways. If I'm you, I'm hopping on that, man, because once people start to figure out just how limited these things were, I could see these prices easily going through the roof. And make no mistake about it, YouTube. When these things go, they're not releasing no more. I can't see Jordan Brand or Nike releasing another Retro 18 for at least the next 7 to 10 years, man. I think this is probably the last one you're gonna see for a while. So if you're a fan of this model, I'm going for it. Get it while you can. Get it while that price is low. But everything being limited now, ain't no telling what the market is gonna be for any given shoe. And because we now know how limited these things actually work, you can definitely see these things creeping up there in price. So that's it. I mean, I love the shoe. We red shoe gang around here. You should already know, man. Chicago, everything red. We own it. That's how we got to do it over here in the Flu Gang. But yeah, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, man. You already know how we rocking. Gang, gang. But before I get out of here though, YouTube, I do want to say we are giving away some Supreme for the channel, man. We almost to 100 subscribers, man. I want to make sure that, you know, we keeping the momentum going. We getting ourselves to 100 subscribers. So please, if you want to win that Supreme, you know what I'm saying? We got it back here. If you want to win that Supreme Illusion coin box, please comment below. You know, leave any feedback you want to, but make sure you putting that Flu Gang down there in them comment section. You know what I'm saying? And sharing this video, liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, man. We're gonna do a random drawing, man. I wanna make sure that I get this Supreme drip to you. So please make sure you supporting your boy, man. Let me know you rocking with the Flu Gang, baby. Put that comment, Flu Gang, underneath this video. You know what I'm saying? Share this video. You know, tag, whatever you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get that Supreme out, man. But again, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. We got the Toro 18s in the building. You already know how we rocking. Gang, 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 gang.